Myway.solutions is opening soon at the end of June. This is what you get. My way is dance. My way is improvisation. My way is technique. My way is more. My way is coordination. My way is all about beauty. My way is exercising to the maximum. And now you don't even have to wait any longer. Here are 2 examples. One example, the cha-cha chasse variation. Here you see the check forward walk in a ronde chasse variation, a normal step everybody is using every day. But now already you start in slow motion to see that the energy lines of the 2 diagonals, one in the left hip and one into the right up shoulder, is showing very clear in details that it's all about how you use your energy. The new arrows coming up now from the elbow into my hip are the second energy moments, which is very vital because you need to change your energy from one side to another at all times. The pressing of the 2 legs you see here and the compression of the right side is a typical Latin form which we're using all the time, and then the lengthening of the diagonals at the end of the step. These are very important details, and I will show you this more into the next moments. Here we are with the first exercising the balancing on the standing leg. It helps us creating a form where we are understanding the balancing point of our standing leg much better, and always when we have the feeling that we are getting an awareness of the opposition in our body. Therefore, using a balancing standing leg and a free other leg in that case, getting our information into our feeling more into clear details. The second exercise is actually the opposite of the first exercise. The first exercise we have an energy coming out of the floor through the legs into the upper body. The second exercise is the opposite. We are going from the top to the bottom. That means we have an upper body swing of the arms, moving into the hip and then into the free moving leg. As we know in these days, that Latin has changed dramatically into a massive, more energetic way of behavior in the bodies, and therefore we need to have the transitions much better. That means we have, for example, an upper body really pushing away into, for example, into the space, and therefore the upper body is starting one kind of move. Here you see the move of transition elbow, hip, leg version, but that can be anything. And my exercises, they will always show you in the future that there are possibilities how to learn them, how to get a feel for it. And even there are millions of exercises. I will always show a couple of exercises which are coming in my mind towards a step, or maybe towards a choreography, or towards something which is really good for this particular movie or little clip I show you. Sometimes the exercises are for energy, sometimes for coordination, sometimes for lines and beauty. It always depends. Here in that case it's energy flow. And a new exercise here, where the coordination between upper body and lower body is to see, It's really interesting because it's exactly the middle of the two first exercises. As we saw in the first exercises where we used the standing leg and we actually lifted the moving leg, and in the second one where we used the upper body into the lower body, we have now here exactly the feeling of a centered feeling, shoulders against the feet sliding on the floor, finalizing our third exercise. End of June, ladies and gentlemen, Myway.solutions, the new website about Latin American dancing. My way is more. My way is taking the time for you. My way is thinking for you. My way has got answers, therefore we are finding the solutions for you. My way works with animations. Everything is more clear. My way finds the exercising, because sometimes you need it. My way offers choreography, and it's really up to date.